Machine parts replacement tutorial. Open the cover plate around the machine and raise the absorbent cotton mesh board. Use the governor to adjust the direction of the screws on the ball. Locate the 4 screws and unscrew them. After the old brush is replaced, you can replace the brush strip in the same way. Replace swing back parts. Loosen the screws on the accessories and remove all the parts in turn. Avoid losing parts during the replacement. Remove the chain to be replaced. Remove the circlip from the center of the sprocket. Maintain the chain and bevel gears by brushing with the lubricant every 3 months. Press the suction switch to control the operation of the dirt sucker. Pour out the sewage manually after suction. After the sewage is poured out, pour in clean water again. Do not exceed the designated water level line. When replacing the suction motor, please note that red one is the fire wire and blue one is the zero wire. Pay attention to matching the red line to the red dot when inserting the 24-volt fire wire and the zero wire. Finally, the assembly is finished.